Thank you, Mr. President. President of Kurdistan Region, نێچیرڤان بارزانی, officials, diplomats, distinguished guests, faculty, staff, students, alumni, and friends of AUK, good evening. Today we gather to celebrate a significant milestone, the 10th anniversary of the American University of Kurdistan. It is a moment of immense pride and inspiration for us all, a moment that will be celebrated and reflected on for generations to come. On behalf of myself and my government, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to everyone who has been part of this remarkable journey. As I stand here, I'm reminded of my own time as a student. I was a very serious and determined learner, always striving to make the most of every opportunity. I was fortunate to study at the American University in Washington, D.C. But while I pursued my education at the American University, my thoughts frequently returned to the bright and talented youth of our nation, who lacked access to a world-class education system. I dreamed of a future where they too could access high-quality education without having to leave their homeland. It seemed like an ambitious vision at that time, but I held on to it. 30 years later, I am humbled to see that this dream has materialized in the form of AUK, a university inspired by the American model of education, a university that is designed to bring its best practices to our country and that fundamentally places the empowerment of Kurdistan's youth as a central component of its philosophy. We should all be proud of how far we have come. When we established AUK, we faced significant challenges. ISIS terrorists were just 12 kilometers from our campus, and we held countless meetings on the front lines while fighting to defend our homeland. Terrorism and later the COVID-19 pandemic were formidable obstacles. Yet, through sheer resilience and determination, we preserved and continued our journey. In 2018, we embarked on the journey to achieve US accreditations. Despite the hurdles, we were able to convince the New England Commission of Higher Education to come to Kurdistan and start the accreditation process. Today, I'm proud to say that AUK is the only institution in the whole of Iraq with candidacy status. Meaning its credits are recognized by the US Department of Education, and students can transfer their credits to any other institution across the globe. This achievement is not just a recognition of our standards, but a stepping stone for my government's broader vision to establish a national accreditation body, the Kurdistan Accreditation Association of Kurdistan. While the remarkable achievement, AUK is poised to play a transformative role in the higher education ecosystem, both regionally and nationally, aligned with the Carriage's Vision 2030. AUK is proud to lead a task force on K-19 education, which is dedicated to elevating academic standards, strengthening equality assurance, and recommending essential policy reforms to revolutionize education for future generations. AUK has become a beacon of excellence, not only in education, but also in health. Our College of Nursing is at the forefront of innovation, equipping future healthcare professionals and cutting-edge knowledge and skills. Our alumni, instilled with the values of professionalism and equipped with 21st century skills are now agents of change in their workforce and beyond. We are also involved in providing professional development programs for professionals in both public and private sectors. Moreover, AUK is playing a pivotal role in driving our economy forward by preparing a quality workforce and labor market that is capable of meeting modern challenges. This aligns with AUK's mission to contribute not just to our education system and academia, but to the socio-economic advancement of our nation. I'm proud to highlight that approximately 70% of our students benefit from various scholarships made possible through the generous support of donors, philanthropists, domestic and international institutions and organizations, and corporate partners. To ensure long-term financial sustainability, we have established the AUK Endowment in the United States with ambitious plans for significant growth in the coming years. None of this would have been possible without the dedication and support of the Board of Trustees. Over the past decades, their vision and commitment have been instrumental in shaping the success of the institution. I also extend my profound gratitude to the university's administration for navigating AUK through turbulent times and ensuring its growth and excellence. As we celebrate this 10th anniversary, let us not only look back on our achievements, but also set our sight on the even brighter future. Together, we will continue to elevate AUK as a model of excellence, shaping the future of higher education in our country and beyond as a pillar of our nation's state-building process. I would like to extend my gratitude to the President of the Kurdistan region, nēçirڤان Barzani, for his continuous support for AUK over the past 10 years. My thanks also go to the AUK Foundation and its chairwoman, Rania Majid, and President of AUK, Ronald Rhodes, for their dedication and commitment to our mission. Lastly, I would like to express deep appreciation to the US federal government for their generous support to AUK over the past 4 years. I promise not to embarrass the Council General, but I would like to, on behalf of everyone, wish you a happy birthday. I know we missed it yesterday, but I hope I can make it up today for you. Thank you again, and congratulations once again to everyone who has been part of this incredible journey. Enjoy your dinner. Thank you.